This tutorial I'm going to show you how you navigate using the function tab or the icons available at the index pages. So let's go to the index page first. So at this index page, all those icons are actually clickable, where you can actually direct access to all the templates. So, and the function tab actually serve the similar functions. It can actually direct you to the respective pages. So for example, if you want to go to the graduate page, you can actually click on this icon, or you can actually click on this function tab. So let's try from this clickable icon. You can actually direct you to its gratitude journal spread. So to go back to the index page, you can actually click on this function tab, or on the left side of this icon. So this one actually will give, this home icon will actually direct you back to the home cover page, and this one will actually direct you back to the index page. Let's try this. So next one is you can either access through from the icon here, or you can actually click from these function tabs. For example, I want to go to this year, so it can actually give direct you to this page. Alright, so and from here you can access these other pages from this tab here. For example, I want to go back to the month of June. You can actually access from here. Okay, I'll see you in the next tutorial how we're going to add these new pages.